A missile is locked. There's no time left. The jet is seconds away from impact. So what does the pilot do? How do you escape? At hundreds of kilometers per hour, thousands of feet above the ground? In modern air combat, a single hit can destroy a fighter jet instantly. Fire, loss of control, total system failure. And in that moment, the pilot has only one option left: eject. But here's the part most people don't realize. Ejection is not automatic. The pilot has to decide. In less than a second. Too early, and you abandon a flyable aircraft. Too late, and there's no escape at all. When the decision is made, the pilot pulls the ejection handle, usually located between the legs or above the head. And from that moment, everything happens automatically. First, the canopy is gone, either shattered by explosives or blown off completely, because nothing can be in the way. Then, the seat fires, not gently. A rocket-powered explosion launches the pilot upward with extreme force. In less than a second, they're out of the aircraft. The system stabilizes the seat, because at high speeds, even airflow can be deadly. The wrong angle can break the neck instantly. Once clear, the parachute deploys, the seat separates, and suddenly, silence, just the sound of wind, and the ground getting closer. But here's the truth. Ejection is not safe. It's violent, it's dangerous, and it can go wrong. Too low, and the parachute doesn't have time. Too fast, and the force can cause serious injury. Many pilots survive, but almost all are hurt. Fire, spin, structural breakup. The aircraft is unstable. Even ejecting becomes harder. Timing is everything, because in that moment, this isn't about the aircraft anymore. It's about survival. Ejection is not an escape plan. It's the last option. A controlled explosion, designed to save a life. And sometimes, it's the only reason a pilot ever makes it home.